Okay, let's start this.
So I love this because you're a mom and we're busy. Some days you just have to get it on, get a little bit of something on and just get out the door. But you just want to feel put together and you want to feel like your skin looks good. That's why I put together this kit, because I love it, because it's everything you need, but it's not too much. So first you have this, it should be a neutralizing primer. Put it right in the center of your hand, your fingertips or whatever, your hand, that's fine. Yeah, there you go. And then I like to kind of just very quickly, starting in the center of the face and blending out. So what this is gonna do is it's going to neutralize the redness. I like to start in the middle and blend out. You see how it's color correcting a little bit and just adding brightness. Already you look like you have a glow. That looks so pretty. Yeah, I know. It looks great. So now you should have something that looks like this. This is the dark circle corrector. Go right underneath your eyes like this. There you go. Yeah. You'll get the product in between the eyebrows. I like to put it here and a little bit here. And then you take your fingers and you just start patting it out and blending. There you go.
Oh, got it.
Yes.
Okay.
8 hours of sleep in a wand.
Okay. Oh, I love that.
You're gonna smile.
Okay.
And put it right on the apples of your cheeks like that. And basically just get a little pink glow and blend it out. There you go. Yes, so pretty.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Ganda. Yes. Take a little bit with your finger and just blend it in. I love these. These are a game changer. And just start with the lighter one and just go right on your lash line like that.
Okay.
There you go. And that will give you a little pop of brightness. There you go. Oh my gosh. Okay, then you're gonna take the darker one. Just basically kind of start to create the crease a little bit like that. So just go use it to create your crease. There you go. Oh yes. And a little goes a long way. Yes. Yes.
Oh my God. Yes.
Yes. Made a big difference. If you want, you can do the bottom. There you go.
Love this, Mally.
Isn't it great? And it's so fast.
Awesome.
No, it's everything you need. I love that. You look so beautiful. Yes. Oh my gosh. Just do the mascara first.
Okay.
And then just take that and put just a couple of coats or one coat on the top, whatever you want to do. The highlighter, which is this one right here, the light one.
Okay.
Yeah. And you're just gonna put that right here on your cheekbone like that. This is fun. I feel like we're in the bathroom together in high school.
I love this. Oh my gosh, Mally. Right. Game changer. And all you need is in a pouch.
Yeah. Everything. Yes. Right. That's it. You get that for free.
Yes.
It is your mattifier. Take your sponge and pat it in like that. There you go. And then just press it into your skin. There you go. Isn't that great?
I saw the difference.
Yes.
Right?
Perfect. Yay! The whole idea is once you know how to do it, you get it on, you're done. You don't have to think about it all throughout the day. Oh my gosh, you look like a Disney princess.
Oh. For people that are joining us right now, you can look like this as well with the Mally Glow Kit. I love it, Mally, that you are helping women not just to feel beautiful on the outside, but beautiful on the inside. Thank you for accepting our invitation to join us on this SOjourn. So everyone has been affected because of this pandemic. It has turned our world upside down. Now, what about you? How has it affected you, your family?
It can get so overwhelming, and there is no one, I believe, on the planet that hasn't been affected one way or another. My first knee-jerk reaction is always to look at the positive. See, what are we going to get out of this? What is the silver lining? Now, truth be told, that can be very, very difficult. That's going to come. But you need to protect your spirit. You need to find even just the little ways that you can find joy. I always call it chasing the joy. My mom was diagnosed with breast cancer before I turned 1 year old. And they gave her 6 months to live. And she ended up living till I was 17 years old.
Woohoo.
So between the power of God, the power of prayer, the power of fierce Filipino strength, she lived until I was 17. We chose to focus on the gratitude. We chose to focus on the positive, to focus on the good things. I never wanted to have that moment of saying that the last moments we had together, we were worried or crying or sad or scared. Use your fear, use your worry, use your insecurity to
Change.
move forward. Yeah.
Right, right. So with that said, you may have already answered my other question, which is the positivity. Are we born with it? And in your case, and I think in everybody else's case, you nurture it.
It is a muscle. It is something you have to practice. It is something that you have to try for. Very few people are born just automatically like that. So you do have to work at it.
Mm-hmm.
And it takes work.
Right. So it's like training yourself to actually catch yourself when you're being negative. I think that's the first step, right?
It's a vicious cycle. You have to sometimes allow yourself, if you eat the chicharron right before you're going to bed.
Chicharron. Right.
So you got to eat what you want to eat.
Just 2 pieces. You can stop.
Exactly. That's it. But that's the thing, you do it. And then you can forgive yourself, or you say, okay, I'm not going to do this day, but then I'm going to reward myself this day. It's a balance. Life is always a balance. You don't have to be positive all the time.
Correct.
And that's part of being human.
Right.
But if you focus mostly on the positive when you can, it is inevitable that more positive things will come to you.
How do you see this playing out?
Well, when it comes to, the world, the physical world, I don't know, because that's not my area of expertise. But what I do know, and what I do believe, and what I am putting out into the world is that mentally, spiritually, and emotionally, we are going to come out better than we went in.
Right.
Because we have no choice but to adapt to the world that is changing in front of us. Please, if you can, take some time to rethink about your mental health. We've lost a lot of people. We've lost a lot of jobs. The economy is struggling. I know all this. You have to find the positive in it. And what you can do is control what's going on in here.
Thank you so much, Mally, for all the positivity and for the glow.
You're bourgeois, as we say.
We'll see you around, okay? Thank you.